Last but not least, I did hit record. That's great. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey. I'm so happy to have you here today. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my Copacetic Cutie bag for the month of December. If you are new to the Copacetic Cutie, I recommend you go watch my very first Copacetic Cutie unboxing. In that video, I talk all about Copacetic Cosmetics, who they are as a brand, and what they have to offer. However, the Copacetic Cutie is a monthly makeup subscription for $10 a month, and with that, you receive one mini lip product, one pressed eyeshadow, one nail polish, and a mystery item. And you are able to fully customize your bag. That's my favorite part. You really get to personalize it and make it your own. As with all my videos, there will be timestamps in the description box below so you can jump around and watch the portions you are most interested in. We are first going to talk about the theme of the box, and then I will get into each of the products I received, and then we will close things out with what my favorite product was. And then of course, a blooper reel. Maybe, probably. Let's face it, definitely. So you have that to look forward to. The theme this month was Year of the Tiger. The Chinese zodiac is based on the Lunar New Year that assigns an animal and its reputed attributes to each year in a repeating 12-year cycle. I'm going to pop a graphic up on the screen here so you can figure out which Chinese zodiac you are. I want you to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you are. So as I said, each Chinese zodiac is assigned an animal, and then you're kind of given this horoscope based on this animal's attribute. I don't know that I fully believe them, but I think it's cool. So I'm going to read mine, the Year of the Snake. Maybe it'll give you a glimpse as to who I am as a person, if you believe in that. I don't know. Hopefully it's a good thing, hopefully. And then I'm going to read about the Year of the Tiger and their attributes since it's your year. So the Year of the Snake will not come again until 2025. I'm very excited. Copacetic is gonna come through with a super cool Year of the Snake theme. I just know it. People born in the Year of the Snake are intelligent, wise, and charming. We like to think so. Snake people are generally quiet, reserved, and are good at giving advice. They're also deep thinkers, like to plan, and are determined in whatever they do. I mean, for the most part, I think it's pretty true. I'm definitely a quiet person. I'm definitely reserved. I like to think I like giving good advice.
I'm not great at the advice. Can I interest you in a sarcastic comment?
All right, let's talk about Year of the Tiger. You are Year of the Tiger. Let me know if this is accurate as to who you are. Tiger people are fiercely independent. They like to work alone. They are optimistic and enthusiastic by nature and always seem to have endless energy, especially at work. They are lively, cheerful. They love freedom and independence. They absolutely must have their personal space. They are natural leaders because of their courage, loyalty, and judicious nature, and people often gravitate towards them. I think it's pretty cool that Copacetic Cosmetics does this. They did this last year also. I know a lot of makeup brands do this. They'll often create a collection around the Lunar New Year, and I think it's always fun to see what they come up with. I am very curious to know what Olivia is. Olivia is the owner of Copacetic Cosmetics. So Olivia, if you watch this, leave us a comment and let us know. What year are you? All right, let's get into the products. First up, the nail polish I chose this month is the shade Impetuous. It is a deep red magnetic polish with red shimmer. Magnetic? Like really magnetic though? Is it like really truly magnetic, or is this a term meaning something else in the world of nail polish? I guess we'll find out. I received my Copacetic Cutie Christmas Eve evening, and it is now Monday after the holidays. I haven't had time to repaint my nails, though they definitely need it. So I have not tried this yet. I did swatch it. It looks like the perfect Christmas red. I do not have a shimmery red polish in my collection, nor do I have a magnetic polish, so definitely excited to try this one. Next, the lip product this month. I do not remember picking the shade, however, I'm not surprised, being that I'm trying to be more adventurous with my lip colors, but the lip product that I chose this month is this shade Dauntless. It is a metallic olive liquid lipstick. Dauntless being the perfect name for this color. Believe it or not, this lip is much more intimidating than the deep navy I had last month. So I am wearing this today, just not on my lips. I actually used it as an eyeshadow base. It is the green pigment that you see on the inner corner of my eyes. I actually got this idea after talking to Monica, who curated the, I believe, September box, the Witching Hour. She had created a black lip, and in talking to her, she said that she created that to be worn on the lips, of course, but also to be used as an eyeshadow base. And after hearing her say that, a light bulb went off. I would have never ever thought to use a lip product on my eyes. And to be fair, I don't think a lot of lip products would work in that way, but I actually had great success with this today. I was surprised at how well this dried down on the eyes, and I was actually still able to sort of blend it out and buff it out, and actually see myself using this more on my eyes than on my lips. I will put some on my lips here so that we can see what it looks like. Well, let me apply first. I mean, I definitely don't love it with everything else I have going on. It just meshes too much. I am looking forward to trying this as a lip topper because it is sort of sheer. You can build it up to be more opaque, but I think, you know, after I rub my lips together, it shears down just a little bit. So I'm looking forward to trying this with darker lip colors. Maybe just putting a little bit on the center of my lips and then rubbing them together to give them just a little bit of a cool, mysterious tint. However, I don't know that I love it so much on my lips, on myself, just because of my complexion. I think it kind of, I don't know, maybe it's kind of cool. I don't know, what do you think? I think it just kind of doesn't work well with my complexion. I think this would be absolutely beautiful on someone with an olive complexion or darker complexion. I'm gonna play around with it, see if I can figure out a way to wear it on my lips that I like, that I feel comfortable with. But as I said, I think for the most part, I'm gonna really enjoy using this as an eyeshadow base. It's dried down, like it doesn't feel like it's moving around or that it's like malleable in any way. I like that the color shows up just well enough, like it gives me that pop of green. It does sort of look like a liquid shadow. I'm gonna keep that in mind when making my lip product choices. I love the idea of having versatility with their lip products. That's so awesome. The eyeshadow I chose this month is the shade Aptitude. This is described as a lime, white, teal pressed flaky. I have come to love their flaky formula. I have a couple of them in my collection already that I purchased on my own. Being a girl who loves shimmer and glitter and color shifts and all the things, this is right up my alley. They make such cool, unique shadow toppers. With that being said, I don't think they are for the faint of heart, at least from the ones that I've tried, because they definitely pack a punch. But that's what I love about them. They hold true to the name. They are a flaky formula. If you were to just apply it to your eyelids, you will probably definitely experience fallout and flakiness. However, when I use them, I first apply my NYX pigment primer and then tap the flaky on top, and I don't experience issues with fallout or flakes flying all over. If you love shimmer, glitter, shadow toppers, all the things that I do, you will also love their flaky formula. So Aptitude, looking at it, it looks like an icy, pearly, white, metallic shade, and then when you swatch it, you definitely see the lime and the teal, and I also see some yellow. They're so cool. All of the flakies that I have thus far are truly unique in their color shifts. I love them.
I love you, I love you, I love you! Wow, that was weird.
So for my eye look today, as I said, I first went in with the Dauntless lip product, and then I went in with my NYX pigment primer, and then I tapped with my finger this on top, and I love it. Love it. And while this does have that lime and teal shift in it, I think what's really giving my eye more of that green look is that lip product. I just love the shifts and the glitter. It's just, wow. Last but not least, the mystery item I received this month is a highlighter. I love highlighters, so this speaks to me already. This is one of their Glow From Within highlighters in the shade Sentimental. It is a warm, glowy peach shade. Unfortunately, I have not had the opportunity to play with this yet, so I'm not able to speak much of it aside from my swatching first impressions. Needless to say, I am a shimmer glitter type of gal, so these more like ethereal, glowy, color shifting highlighters are just something that I love. They're not necessarily an everyday highlighter for me, but I love using them as an eyeshadow, as a halo eye, as a highlighter. Sometimes if I'm feeling real crazy, I'll tap just a little bit on the center of my lips. I love that ethereal look. I love putting just a little bit in that inner eye corner nook. I think that's so cool, the way it catches the light when you're talking to someone in person, how your makeup can be just neutral and basic, but then when you turn your head, you see this little color flip. I love that. I am a sucker for it. I'm weak for them, let me tell you. And so I'm so excited to try this highlighter. I think it's gonna be so pretty. I think it's gonna be especially flattering in the summertime, even as like a shimmer powder on my neck and shoulders. I just Can't wait. Alright guys, that wraps up my Copacetic Cutie bag for the month of December. My very last Copacetic Cutie bag for the year of 2021. 2021 was the year I discovered Copacetic Cosmetics thanks to Jennifer over at Magical Muses and Monthly Musings. I had watched 2 or 3 of her Copacetic unbaggings and she finally lured me in and I have not looked back since. So again, thank you to Jennifer. I will leave her channel link down below. You can go check out her unboxings as well. From my experience thus far, I love the Copacetic formula, from their lip products to their nail polish to their eyeshadows, especially their eyeshadows. I plan to continue with these Copacetic unbaggings. I hope you enjoy watching them. Let me know if you'd like to see something different. Maybe if you want to see like a try on with the products. Maybe should I wait to open the bags and do it live one-on-one here with you? Let me know any of your thoughts, comments, suggestions. I love hearing from you always. My favorite product this month, I'm gonna go with the lip product because like I said earlier, I love the versatility. I don't foresee myself using it often on my lips. I love the look it gave my eyes today. I love that like light, limey, ethereal green look on my inner corner. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it on my eyes over my lips. Also, something else I'm so excited about, this is the last thing I have to mention and then I'll let you go, but on January 4th, Copacetic is going to make all of the shadows in their quads available as singles. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Come January 4th, $2 Tuesday with that single release. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna do some damage. I wanna thank you so much again for your time today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you hit that subscribe button so you can come back next time. And until next time, I hope you have the most wonderful day. If you're not quite sure, blah, 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 the Chinese zodiac is based the Chinese zodiac is based on the Lunar New Year. Lunar New Year. So as I said, each Chinese zodiac. Tiger people, we just lost a crap ton of life. They are natural leaders because of their courage, loyalty, and judicious. They are natural leaders because of their courage, loyalty, and judicious. Lighting! Ugh. The eyeshadow I chose this month, there's a hair, a dog hair. Wonder where that came from.